Hi, you're hacking with Data Disc Jockey ADG, and today we are hacking the
repair the door.
garage door, side door to my neighbor's garage. Laura here is my neighbor in Chicago, Illinois, across from IRL. And this door was broken into. The frame was broken. Do you have the key?
No, I'm not having the key for this.
Okay, maybe we'll get it. Well,
that's okay.
Yeah,
because you know, if I leave with no key,
yeah,
then the wing is open very easy.
Okay.
But it's okay.
Well, the summary of the repair is that these 3 bolts have been added to restructure the frame, and now the door is secure again, and we also replaced the locks.
Okay, that's it.
And my only question is, will this door be stronger or not as strong as the new door?
It's strong. It's strong like if it was brand new.
You're hacking with Data Disc Jockey ADG. I just want to give you some more info about the hack in the video that follows. That hack was across the street from IRL, where our studio is, and the neighbor across the street there, Laura, had someone break into her garage and the door was split open. I repaired the door with 3 bolts and replaced the locks, and a few days went by and Laura called me to say that the door was working very well and to give me this delicious plate of food that I have eaten most of right here. With homemade potato salad in a reused ceramic container.